Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how we can easily download and install RubyMine on Windows. So it's very easy. At first go to the web browser. I'm using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google type RubyMine and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website JetBrains is visible that owns RubyMine. Click on it. So RubyMine is basically used for Ruby and Rails environment. So here is the official website for RubyMine. Here it is. Click on download. Now the version for Windows is visible. It comes with a 30-day trial. Go below, exe file, click on download. Download will start. Let's wait 417 MB. The exe file downloaded. Double click on it to install. Minimize. The setup started. Here it is, the setup started. Click on next. Now the RubyMine will get installed under the following. Okay. If you want to change the location, you can click on here, but keep the same, keep the default, it's fine. It will take 1.9 GB. So click on next. Installation options are visible. Create a desktop shortcut, yes. Update the path variable, yes, which is fine. Update the context menu, yes. It will allow you to open your folder as a project. Okay, so you can directly open RubyMine with your project. Click on next. Start menu folder, choose, keep the default and click on install. Installation started, shortcut got created. Let's wait for the installation to complete. The setup completed. You can click on reboot now and reboot it to complete the installation. Let's do it. Click on finish. We rebooted our system. Now you can directly click on the shortcut, or you can go to start and type RubyMine and click on open. Let's click on it. Now it started for the first time. You can log into your JetBrains account so that you can activate it for 30 days. After that you can go to new project and create a project. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install RubyMine on Windows. Thank you for watching the video.